Good morning, kids. Shubha Mangalam. Welcome to Little Scholars High School. This is Cheryl here, and today we are doing class LKG, and the subject is math. And a page number for today's topic is page number 50 and 51. That is hello number 0. Okay, before that, we would do a recap of our page number 46 and 49. So, what we have learned in page number 46, children, we have learned number 8. So, we'll just do a recap of it. So, here we need to do like trace and read. Okay. So, in the first dice, how many dots do we have? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in the second dice, we have 1, 2, 3. So, altogether 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, how many dots we have on both the dices? It is 5 plus 3, that is 8 dots. How many dots? 8. And how many fingers do we put up? Let us count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, how many fingers make 8? Is 8 fingers. Okay. Now, here we have done paste the eggs. Okay. Paste the stickers of 8 eggs in the nest. So, how many eggs did this bird lay? 8 eggs. And how many did we paste on the nest? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many eggs we have pasted? 8 eggs. And the next page, page number 47. Draw and color 8 worms. 8 worms. We had to draw them and color them. I hope you have all done this, completed this work. So, how many worms did we draw? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, where does this worm live? They live in the soil. So, where it is? Like in your flower plants or in the garden, these worms, they live. Okay. So, how many worms did we draw? 8 worms. And then what was the last one we did? Trace and write 8. So, how do we write it? Once again, we'll do it over here. Turn for S and again go up and then turn 8. Okay. So, I hope you have all completed this page number 46 and 47. Let's go to the next one, that is hello number 9. So, what it is? Number 9. Trace and read. So, we'll do it again. So, how many dots we have on the first dice? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many dots? 5 dots. And on the second dice, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, altogether 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, how many dots we have? 9 dots. And how do we trace number 9? Standing line and then a right curve. Standing line, right curve. That is 9. And how many fingers are put up over here? Let us count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So, 9 fingers. And how many bananas did we draw for the elephant? Let us count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many bananas? 9 bananas we have drawn for the elephant. Now the next one. So, cross out 9 elephants in the picture. So, how many elephants are here? Let us first count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, how many elephants we need to cross out? Cross out means cut out. So, how many we did? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, out of 10 elephants, we cut out 9 elephants. How many elephants we cut out? 9 elephants. And then the last one, trace and write 9. So how do we trace and write? First, your standing line and then your right curve 9. Again, standing line, right curve 9. So I hope you completed this page also. Now we'll go to our today's topic, which is hello number 0. So first we'll do the tracing. So how do we trace 0? It's only a circle. So start from the top, take a round turn, 0. Again, trace it from top, turn, go up, 0. This is how you will trace your 0. You can do it on a sandpaper also, children, or take a white paper and a crayon and just do the circle, round circle, that is your 0. Now, what do we have here? We have 3, one is a flowers and 2 are the bottles, right? So, do we have anything in these bottles? Do we have anything? No, right? It is empty. The bottles are empty. That means there is nothing. It is 0. What? The bottles are empty. So, it is 0. If we have anything in it, like example here we have the stars, right? So, then it is like we can count it. But do we have anything in these 3 bottles? Nothing, right? So, it is 0. What is it? It is 0. Empty. Now, here what we need to do, cross out 0 stars in the picture. So, we need to cross out 0 stars. So, that means no stars should be there in the picture, right? So, we need to cross it out all. Yes? So, let us cross out all the stars which are there to make it 0. Cut out all the stars, children. You need to cut out all the stars. Cut the stars out so that we will make the sky empty without any stars. Okay? See that you don't have any stars. All the stars you need to cut out. So, cross out stars in the picture. You need to cross it out to make it 0. Now, like example, it should be like this. Okay? So, nothing is there in the bottle. That means it is 0. And here since we can count the stars because we have it in the picture. We can see the star, right? So, what we have to do now? To make it without stars, we need to cut it out. So, we did the crossing out of it to make it 0. Now, here, draw 0 cherries on the ice creams. Now, can we draw 0 cherries? Can we draw? 0 means nothing. So, we don't have to draw any cherries on these ice creams because 0 is nothing. Okay, empty. So, this ice creams do not have cherries on it. So, it is 0. Draw 0 cherries. That means we shouldn't draw. Don't draw any cherries on the ice cream. Okay, that is 0. Now, trace and write 0. So, how do we trace and write 0? We'll start from top, turn and again go up, 0. Again, start from top, take a turn down, join the dots and write it, children, neatly, 0. Again, it's a circle, 0 is a circle. 0 is a circle. Again, 0. 0 means nothing, empty. Okay, 0 means empty. So, I'll show you here just a circle, 0. 0. This is how you need to write 0. Now, I'll show you the flashcard of 0. Okay. Okay. Now, do we have any apples in this basket? Do we have any apples in the basket? Is the basket full with apples or empty? It's empty, right? So, it is 0. Her basket is empty. So, there are no apples in the basket. So, it is 0. And how do you trace 0? It starts from here, take a turn, go up and turn. Again, starts from here, take a turn, go up. It's like this. Now, on the tree, do we have apples on the tree? No apples are there, right, on the tree. So it is 0 apples. Where are all the apples? One is falling down and the others are on the ground, right? So that means the tree has 0 apples. No apples on the tree. No apples in the basket. That is 0. No apples on the tree and no apples in the basket. That is 0. And I will show you one more thing, children. So as I told you all, you can do this for 0. So here it will trace it. Start from here. From top, take a turn, down, go up. 0. Again, 0. This is how you need to trace your 0. It's a round circle. 0 is a circle. Without 0 means nothing. You don't have anything in your hand. Now I'll show you one thing. Now you have how many fingers in your hand? 5 fingers, right? Now if I close it, that means it is, do I have any fingers open? Can I count? No, right? So that means that is nothing. It's a 0. So how do you put 0? This is how it is a 0. Okay? Now the same thing, I'll show you a flashcard. See. When you close all your fingers, it is 0. So you close all your fingers. So what it is? It is 0. But when you open your finger, that means you can count, right? So this is 1. And this is nothing. 1. Nothing. 1. Nothing. Okay? Nothing means it's 0. So the same thing when we did here, we have seen here in the basket, do we have anything? Do we have anything in the basket? No, right? So the basket is 0. Basket is 0. Now, do we have any apples on the tree? No. So it is 0 apples. What it is? 0 apples. Now, we'll do a recap of our previous topics which we have covered. Okay. So that, what was our previous topic, children? It was number 8. So how do we count number 8 on our fingers? Let us do it. Put up 5 fingers on one hand and 3 fingers on the other hand. 3 fingers. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many fingers we have? 8 fingers. And how many eggs did we paste for the bird in the nest? 8 eggs. So how do we paste? How did we count it? Let us count. Put up your 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 8 fingers, right? That is 8 eggs. And how many worms did we put up? We drew. It was 8 worms. So how do we count it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many worms we drew? 8 worms. Now for 9, how do we count number 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then put up 4 fingers. 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers we have for 9? It is 9 fingers. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many fingers? 9 fingers. And let us count here. How many apples are here? Can we count it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many apples? 9 apples are here. And how do we trace 9? Standing line and a curve. Standing line and a curve. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Standing line and a curve. Now for 0, what we have done? 0 means nothing. So we close our fist, right? Once you close it, it becomes nothing. That means 0. So how is 0? This is 0. It means nothing. So there was no apples in the basket. There was no apples on the tree, right? We have seen here no apples in the basket and no apples on the tree. In the basket, on the tree. So there are no apples. That means it is 0. What it is? 0. So how do you write 0? It's a circle. 0 is a circle. And as I showed you, when you close your fist, this is your fist. You open it, you can count the fingers on it. But if you close it, you cannot count anything. That means it is 0. Open, you can count. Close, you cannot count. So it is 0. And how do you trace 0, children? You trace 0 as a circle. How do you trace it? It's a round circle. It is a round circle. So I hope you all understood this. And before that, we'll just once again do our textbook. Okay. So number 0 and how it is? Trace and read. Okay. So these jars are empty. That means it is 0. Nothing is there. 0 means nothing. Okay. If it is an empty bottle, then you say nothing is there. That means it is a 0. Okay. And what we did over here, we cut out all the stars to make it 0. What we did? Cut out all these stars to make it 0. And did we draw any cherries on the ice cream, children? Did we draw any cherries? No, right? That means 0 cherries are there on the ice cream. What it is? 0 cherries. That means no cherries on the ice cream. Did you have your ice cream anytime without cherries? No, right? You have a cherry on it. Some ice creams, you don't have cherries on it. So that is 0. And how do you trace 0? It is your circle. Go round. It is a circle. Again, round, circle. So how do you do it, children, is you take a paper, take a crayon and just keep drawing a circle. Okay, you just keep drawing the circle. That becomes a 0. How do you do it? It's just 0. Okay. Again, just a circle. That is 0. Just a circle. 0. Okay, 0 means nothing. Now, example, if I put a basket over here, okay, and I put some balls in it, and there is another basket without anything. So that means what? This basket we can count, right? 1, 2, 3. So we'll write 3. Do we have anything in this basket? Do we have anything in this basket? No, right? Nothing. That means it is 0. So again, another thing. Now we have apple. Okay. We have the apples over here. And in the other one, we don't have anything. So that means this we can count. 2 apples and this is 0 apples. So I hope you all understood the concept of 0. 0 means nothing. Okay, does not have anything. There is no value for 0. 0 has no value. That means it is nothing, empty. Okay, so now I hope you all understood. And with the next class, we'll go and we'll do the recap of all these concepts and then we'll start our new class. Okay, children, have a great day. Bye.